Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to play this amazing solo. Extreme, rest in peace. Nuno Bettencourt in the house tonight. Show you. Welcome back to another episode. If you want to play along, please tune to this note. We're playing on E flat, standard, by the way. All right? The first section is this part. All right? And to make that phrase sound like the record, you will need to palm mute a little bit the notes. Then the second part of it, repeats the same thing. But it has a little variation, so it's melodic and it's not repetitive, all right? So let's recap what we have so far. Then for the third time, we're going to play the beginning of the same phrase. And then the most difficult lick of the solo. Okay, so if you play both parts together, let's recap again. Okay, and then. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments down below. And of course, what do you think about this lesson? And what other solos would you like me to break down and teach you on this channel? Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. Okay, let's recap what we have so far. Cool. Let's move on. Then I'm going to play the whole solo slow for you guys. that's that, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And don't forget, see you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh. Show real.